Welcome back to my channel, y'all. I am finishing up my Christmas decorating projects that I wanted to make for this year, and uh, this is probably my last DIY and my last project that I make. It's getting so close to Christmas that I'm about finished with all that I was wanting to make. I was at Hobby Lobby and I was looking in their Christmas decorations, their garland, and they had some swags, and that's actually what I want over my door. It's almost, I don't know if you know what a swag is, but it's almost like a wreath, but it's just more of a long piece that kind of goes, you decorate out going outward on both ends, and that's what I want to put above my front door. And so I thought I'd try to do that myself, because the ones I saw in Hobby Lobby, they didn't even have that much on them, and they were wanting like $60 or $70, which I know you get 50% off, but still, I know you could probably do this for about $10. So what I did is, while I was at Hobby Lobby, I just grabbed a few different types of, for my base of my swag, I just picked a few different picks of different types of greenery. For instance, I got some of these. It's almost like a mixture of trees, like some spruce, fir, and so I just picked up, so I thought I'd start out with something like this as my base. Okay, so I got two of those, and then let's see, I just got different types of those, and then I got some, well, I had these, I don't know if I'm going to use them, but it's a pick with some berries on it. I don't know, it's been used a couple of times, so I don't know if I'll use that or not. I bought this. I'm not sure if I'll use this at some point in it. I only got one of those, but we'll see. Then what else I'm going to do to kind of bind these together, I just have a paint stick. I'm going to try that and see how that works. So I have a paint stick, and I found this at the Dollar Tree. It's some kind of a heavy-duty wire, and so I'm going to initially probably start out with that. I may still apply a little bit of glue. Let me plug that in while I'm thinking about it, to the paint stick, so I get a good base. And then I've got some green. I use this, of course, on all my wreaths and things like that, so I've got that too. So let me go ahead and get my base started, and then I'll show you how I put that together. Okay, the first thing I did is I put a bunch of glue down and put the stems to where they kind of meet each other, at each other. So I started that, and then I wrapped it with some floral wire, because I want it to be really sturdy since it's going to be outside. And so the next thing I'm going to do, I have two pieces. It's more like a evergreen. I guess that's what it is. I don't know trees that well, but anyways, I don't know. So what I'm going to do is I'll build that. I'm going to stick it, kind of tuck it in there, right there. Kind of stick it right in there, and then I'll do the same. I'll wrap it with wire too, and I've got a second one. And what I'll do is I'll kind of tuck that underneath of that, and put that. Okay, so so let me show you. So it'll kind of look like my base will kind of look like this. Of course, I'll need to fluff it out and stuff, but that'll be kind of like my base that I'm going for. All right, and I'll be right back. Okay, I added those two other pieces, those two other picks, and so I've got the fullness that I'm liking, and so I'm actually just going to keep this pretty simple. And I thought I would go ahead and use this pick right here and just kind of nestle it right here in the middle, cut this stem off, and just kind of put that in there. And I think that's all I want to do. Now you actually could do the same thing. Let's say you want to make a what is that called, where it would just hang. So if you wanted to, let me see if I can, but if you wanted to, like a that just kind of hung down like that, you could do that, and that would be really pretty too, and hang it from your door. So I think that would be really pretty too. But let me do that, and then I will be back. Okay, here's my swag finished, and it was super easy, and it probably only cost probably $10 to $12 altogether, and I'm probably exaggerating it because it was just let's see, five picks, and you can pretty much pick up those picks anywhere, but I got those from Hobby Lobby, and I think it's really cute. And even though I only had the one, I think that's for like the middle center area. I think that's gonna look good, but I really like it, and so I'm going to put it over my front door. And you'll be seeing, I'll be doing a home tour in the next couple of days, so you'll be seeing that. So I'm so excited about this that I got to make this. They were just, like I said, they were like $60, $70. But thank you for watching. I finished this project up really quickly. It's a project that really doesn't take much time, but I saw it on Pinterest and I really liked it, so that's why I wanted to do it. And what I did is I just finished gluing the bulbs around into the greenery, into the garland that I had in there. And I couldn't decide what I wanted to do with the pail, but I went ahead and just crisscrossed this ribbon, and I was going to put something in the center, and I just actually really like it just like this, so I'm going to finish it up with that. So that's what I did with that. So thank you for watching, and y'all have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.